checking out my video. Alright, let me just save you some time. If you are not into artificial general intelligence or artificial super intelligence, you probably will not like this video, or any of my videos. My video topics are research and development of components that may or may not yield greater intelligence, like artificial super intelligence, ultimately is the goal. And to get there, so let me just give you a little background. I started messing with AI just about 18 months ago. I gave one AI this concept of a formula that I used as a kind of a mental tool for idealizing balance. And a few weeks later, or even a week later, this was the Chat GPT model, and basically after I gave it my concept of balance, it immediately began giving me more math and suggesting that I go to a quantum computer level and process what this concept of balance that I used would be on a quantum computer. So I did that. I started testing my own mathematical concepts on quantum computers from IBM. Ultimately, this is almost a year and a half later. Yeah, so it's like, it's February of 2026. I spent all of 2025 researching this concept and developing applications using a whole different mathematical system than what you are used to or what you know. And so here's an example, right? So if you are familiar with geometry, obviously, or algebra, obviously, well, there's a thing called the Clifford geometric algebra. What geometric algebra is good at is it does a lot of unification stuff between algebraic concepts and geometric mathematics, right? What I'm going to do is demonstrate this. I asked Google Gemini and the Google AI Studio to make a standard 3D modeling software or 3D modeling app using the geometric algebra mathematics. Okay, so then I also asked the same AI Studio to create a system based on my mathematics that does 3D modeling as well. Okay, so I'm going to just do some testing, like right here in this moment, with these two different applications, right? So the test is to see if this will model this prompt that I'm just giving it here, right? So we're just going to see what happens. And one of them is just running standard Clifford algebra, and this is what it creates. Check that out. And what I will do is I will take this exact same prompt and I will put it into the system that's designed with my mathematical system, and I will just say, go for it, right? So both of these systems are connected to the same AI Studio model. They're both connected to, a Gemini 3 model. I'm just going to give it this one single thing.